back with another video. Hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I am going to be creating a cut crease makeup look. It's been a while that I haven't done any makeup look on my channel. So I thought this time I should try something that I haven't done on my channel before. So I'm going to create a cut crease makeup look in today's video. So if you're interested in watching this video, then please continue watching. And before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, share, comment and like, and share this video with your family and friends and ask them to subscribe and to watch my videos as well. Now let's start this video. So before jumping onto the makeup, let's do some skincare. So first I'm going to apply toner. I'm going to use the VLCC Rose Water Toner. This is the bottle of the Swiss Beauty setting spray, but इसके अंदर मैंने रोज वाटर का टोनर स्टोर करके रखा है बिकॉज ये स्प्रे बॉटल है और स्प्रे की हेल्प से ज़्यादा टोनर लगा पाते हैं. सो आई एम फर्स्ट गोइंग टू जस्ट स्प्रे दिस टोनर all over my face. It feels so good and refreshing. टोनर लगाने के बाद एक instant glow आ गया है and I really love applying toners. Now let's move on to the moisturizer. I'm going to use my OG Nivea moisturizer, and this is the moisturizer that I'm going to use. This is the Nivea Light Moisturizer which has vitamin E in it. Now I'm going to take this much and I'll just dot it all over my face. And now whatever is left, I'll rub it between my fingers and I'll apply it on my neck. So what I like to do, whatever moisturizer I'm using, I apply it and massage it under my eyes like this, so I don't feel the need of an eye cream, and I apply it very lightly. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि आप moisturizer लगा रहे हो तो आपको बहुत hard hands use करने हैं. You just have to be gentle on your skin, and yes, that's it. So now for the primer, I am going to use this Swiss Beauty Illuminating Primer. It's a highlighting primer in the shade Natural Tint 01. I will leave all the links of the product in the description box. So if you want to check it out, you can. I'm going to take few drops of this. This is such a great product. मुझे नहीं लगा था कि मैं इसे इतना यूज करूंगी, बट मैं अपना मेकअप आजकल इसके बिना कर ही नहीं रही हूँ. I am so in love with this product. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to dot this product like all over my face. It works as a stroke cream. So now I'm just going to massage it gently. So इसमें बिल्कुल भी चंकी पार्टिकल्स नहीं है. Go for this. और इसमें काफ़ी शेड्स अवेलेबल है, सो आप अपने स्किन टोन के हिसाब से परचेज कर सकते हैं. सो जस्ट हैव अ लुक. मेरी स्किन केयर करने के बाद मैंने ये हाईलाइटिंग प्राइमर लगाया. माई फेस इज ग्लोइंग लाइक अ बल्ब एंड आई रियली लाइक दिस प्रोडक्ट. So let's begin with the makeup now. First I'm going to do my eyes first, and for that I'm going to use this NYX Professional Eye Primer in the shade Skin Tone to prep my eyelids, and I'm going to use my finger as usual because I like to use my fingers. आप concealer भी use कर सकते हैं if you don't own a eye primer. ज़रूरी नहीं कि eye primer लगाओ, but मेरे पास है तो मैं eye primer लगा रही हूँ to just prep my lids. Now with the help of my fingers only, I'm just going to blend this eye base all over my eyelids जिससे कोई भी crease create ना हो. Now I'm going to use my eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use this Beauty Glaze Gorgeous Me eyeshadow tray, which are 63 shades. I got it from the Instagram store named the Skin Food 9. I will leave the Instagram handle in the description box. So मैंने वहाँ से ऑर्डर की थी. If you want to purchase it, it is such a great palette. Just have a look. इसमें सारे कलर्स हैं जो आपको चाहिए, एंड अभी मैंने ये वाले कलर्स यूज़ करना स्टार्ट किया है, लाइक द मिडल तक वन, क्योंकि इसमें बहुत ही ब्राइट शेड्स हैं और मैं इतना ब्राइट शेड्स प्रिफर नहीं करती हूँ. बट रिसेंटली आई हैव स्टार्टेड एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग एंड आई एम लविंग दिस पैलेट. लाइक I just want to come here and address that this palette is everything you need. मतलब इसमें हर एक कलर है. आपको न्यूट्रल चाहिए, वार्म टोन चाहिए, कूल टोन चाहिए, सब है. First I'm going to take this shade right here, and now I'll just place this color crease and I'll blend it in the back and forth motion. So I'm going to take this yellow shade right here to create that transition effect, and I'm going to place that color on the crease line to create a transition shade. So now you can see a little bit of transition right here. मतलब यहाँ पे मैंने जो transition shade लिया था and then I took yellow shade, तो आपको ये हल्का सा transition effect दिख रहा होगा. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to pick up the brown shade. So for that I'm going to use this side and I'm going to take this shade right here, and now I'm just going to place it in such a way that I can cut my crease properly. So I'm blending it in a back and forth motion. Remember, blending is the key. अगर आपको एक अच्छा बेस चाहिए, आपको अच्छे से बेस को अच्छे से blend करना होगा. If you want your eye look to just look so good, so you need to blend the colors properly. ऐसा नहीं है कि just आपने color लगा लिया, आपने shimmer लगा लिया and your eye makeup is done. No, it takes a lot of time and blending requires time. तो इसलिए बहुत अच्छे से blend करना ज़रूरी है. So after taking the eye primer on my brush, I'm going to cut the crease, and I'm going to cut the crease in such a way कि ये brown shade को follow करे and बिल्कुल भी उससे ऊपर या नीचे नहीं रहे. So just have a look. I'm just following my crease line, and that's it. और ये outer corner पे जाके I'm creating a wing because I want that effect. So now I'm going to take this shade on my brush and I'll apply it on my lid. So I'm going to take that shade on my flat blending brush. Wow, this color is such a good color. Just have a look. I'm just going to pat this color all over my eyelid जहाँ पे मैंने concealer apply किया था. So now I'm going to take every single color that I have used and I'll just fix and clean everything out. So now I'll do this eye off camera and I will be right back. Now let's start with the base. I'm going to use the foundation which I always use, that is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm going to use the 128 shade Warm Nude. I'm only going to take this much and I'll dot this foundation all over my face and on my neck as well. I'm using the back side of this to just blend my foundation and it blends beautifully. Because my forehead is a little tanned, so whatever is there on my beauty blender, I'm just applying it on my forehead. Now for the concealer, I'm going to use this Inside Pro concealer palette and look at these shades. They are so pretty. इनका formula काफ़ी buttery है. I have a full review of this particular product also, so you can check it on my channel. And I'm going to take this shade first. एक kind of yellow है, but मैं पहले ये shade लेती हूँ, and then I take the lighter shade. So first I'm going to use it. I dot it like this. Now with the help of the beauty blender, I'm just going to blend it. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the lighter shade of concealer. I'm going to take this yellow shade, and which is a lighter yellow shade, and then I'll apply it under my eyes to brighten up my under eyes. The only thing that you need to remember while applying this inside concealer, that you need to blend it very properly, like very properly, क्योंकि crease होता है and वो crease आपके under eye पर बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं लगता है. So make sure you're blending it really well. So as you can see how beautifully my under eyes are concealed. Now I'm going to set it because ये बहुत जल्दी crease create करते हैं. So I'm going to use my loose powder and I'll use this Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade Light 15. That's the powder, and I'll just set my under eyes. Now whatever is there on my brush, I'll just apply it on my face. I'm not going to take any extra powder. Now to give some warmth to my face, I'm going to apply bronzer. This is the Sugar bronzer in the shade 01 Top 8 Topper. I'm going to take this brush and apply it, dust off the excess, and I'll just... So recently I have found this technique that whatever product you are using, either it's your blush also. I used to apply my blush on the apple of my cheeks, but recently I have found this technique where you apply blush like this in the upward direction, so your face looks sculpted and, you know, lifted. And I really found this technique very helpful. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to pick up some powder on my beauty blender, this, and I'll just clean my contour like this. So इससे बहुत ही sharp contour दिखता है. So as you can see how clean effect देता है. So now with the help of my powder brush, I'm just going to dust it off and just see this. You can see the sharp contour thing. So now for the blush, I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me blush in the shade Rosy Nude. I'm going to use this shade because it is a kind of a nude shade. मतलब ये लगाने के बाद भी ऐसा लगता नहीं है कि आपने ब्लश लगाया है, और हल्का सा फ्लश आपको इफेक्ट देता भी है. So I'm going to take it and I'll just apply it in the upper direction. See. And also a little bit on my nose because I love applying blush on my nose. So done with the blush, now it's time for highlighter, and for the highlighter I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Base Highlighting Primer. You can also use this as a highlighter. मैंने इसे primer की तरह use किया था. Now I'm going to use this as a highlighter also. So I'm going to take one drop of it, like just a one tiny drop, like only this much. And now I'm going to take this like this, and I'll dot it on the highest point of my face where I like to apply my highlighter. And now with the help of the same finger, I'm just going to blend it. So the after blending effect looks perfect. I really like that effect. You just don't have to drag the product, you have to just dab it, just blend. Now it's time to do my eyebrows, and I'm going to use this Etude House Drawing Eyebrow in the shade 04 Grey Brown. First, I'll just run this spoolie all over my eyebrow hair. I will just outline my eyebrow, and then I'll just fill up the spaces between my eyebrow hair. So I'm going to use a little bit of liner. For that, I'm going to use this Maybelline Colossal liner. I'm only going to apply a very thin layer of liner to just make my eye makeup look a little more intense. So I have applied liner. Now I'm going to apply mascara. I'm going to use this Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. Now I'm going to apply lipstick, and for that I'm going to use this Nykaa So Matte lipstick in the shade Bon Bon, and I'm going to use this. This is a dark brown shade. Now I'm going to layer another lipstick above this lipstick. This is the Maybelline Creamy Matte lipstick in the shade Mysterious Mocha. It is a kind of nude lipstick. I'm just going to apply it on the middle of my lip. So as you can see, our makeup is done. Now to keep this makeup in place, I'm going to use this Faces Canada's Ultime Pro Makeup Fixer, and I'll just spray it. So let it set and I will be right back. So guys, this is the final look, and as you can see how beautiful this makeup is looking. It is very subtle and yet glam, and आप देख सकते हैं कि कट क्रीज पर कितना beautiful ये सारे shades दिख रहे हैं. जो हमने transition shade लिया है, crease shade लिया है, and जो shade हमने lid पर apply किया है, इससे हमारा ये कट क्रीज कितना उठकर दिख रहा है, and I'm really liking the look. So that brings us to the end of this video. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, you all know the drill. You have to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe because 70% of the people haven't subscribed to my channel yet. So please subscribe. You can also follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is this, and also will be linked down in the description box. You can check all the products if you want to. Will be linked down in the description box. I will see you all in my next video. Till then, see ya. Bye.